Let's go on a remedy hunt. So from the earache post, someone mentioned they had popping in their ears and plugged ears. They also mentioned they tried oil of oregano, so that's an essential oil, so trying homeopathy is going to be substantially different. So if this were me, I'd start Googling. Anymore, I do the illness and homeopathy, and typically Dr. Homeo will show up as one of the top posts for me. I really like his posts. I find that I can read his symptom description and do a pretty good job of matching that to my symptoms and getting the right remedy. So in this case, this is his blog post on earache, and the first remedy that comes up is Calimur, and after that is this little symptom description. And lo and behold, we've got plugged ear, you can see it up there, and popping noises. So already you can feel pretty confident that this would be one to really consider. Now, I also read through the rest of the remedies to see if there's a better match for my symptoms. So assuming this is all we have to go on, I would pick up Calimur, probably in a 30C. This one might not be at Sprouts or Whole Foods. You might have to get it on Amazon, and then you're going to want to give it a good chance. Sometimes homeopathy can work nearly instantaneously. I've had one where I took a remedy for a swollen lymph node, and within 5 minutes, I felt it drain. And sometimes it takes a little bit of time and a couple of doses. So I'd make sure I give it a really good shot, especially if it's very well indicated. It's going to be a good remedy for you. If it doesn't, to know what to look for to confirm that it's working other than your immediate symptoms resolving, there are some posts I have called Direction of Cure, and those will help you know whether or not this remedy is affecting you in a positive way. So there might be, you might get tired and fall asleep. That might be a sign that your body's saying, oh, okay, we know what's going on now. Like, let me shut down so I can repair this. And when you wake up, it might be better. And then there might be a discharge or drainage. So all those things would be good indications that this is the right remedy. And then you would stop taking it. Let the body just keep working until it would revert. If you go back to, if you step backward a bit, then you can take another dose. But as long as things are getting better, you don't have to take another remedy. If you find that nothing is changing, if it's staying very constant, then you can go ahead and dose again after a while and see if it has a positive effect. I would give it 4 doses if nothing has changed, and then I'd probably sleep on it and wake up in the morning again, assess. And if everything's the same, if my mental and emotional state are also the same, then I would consider going up in potency if I really feel like the symptom picture really matches me. Or I might go back to the drawing board and find another site to read different remedy descriptions to get a better remedy match. That's it. Good luck.